Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I have a pair of mid-century modern houses here. So this is the Lego Friends Olly and Paisley's family homes. Now I know Paisley's already had a home, but gee whiz, this one's just beautiful. Love the look of it. Olly gets a family, loving that, and that purple tree. Oh, I need more of those leaves. Now I managed to pick this up in Myer for $119, which I thought was pretty good. Still a little bit pricey, but you know, it's a new set. We're taking a look here, and there is actually quite a lot of detail inside for these tiny homes. So we're going to open it up and see what we get. Before I do that, look at that. I love the graphic art on the boxes now. So let's see what we get. So there is 1,126 pieces, and I think it's in 10 bags. I'll just keep having a look. Yeah. Oh, you get 2 base plates that aren't in a bag. Okay, so they're separated. And yep, must be 10 bags. So each house will get 5 bags each, I'm guessing. Let's shred this open. I can't wait for them to fix that. I really want to keep these pockets. You know, you want to keep instructions in there. So, yep, let's shred it, tear it open, and let's take a look. Just checking no stickers are left in there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Olly's house. Let's see. There's Olly waving hello, and there they are on the map. They are neighbours. Oh, he's got like pink carpet. That is so cute. I love the look of that house. And the sticker sheet. What have we got here? Olly's little bedspread. And oh, some rainbow cats there. And ooh, looks like Paisley's alter egos there. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for Paisley's house. That design of her house is fantastic, and I'm loving those headphones around her neck. Looking good. Let's take a look at her set of stickers. There's actually quite a few here for Paisley. Oh, we got Knots and Crosses game. We got Elves reference again, I think. And oh, I think that's her mum there. Oh, picture of her mum. That's a bit sad. Okay, I cannot wait to rip these bags open and start building. We're going to start with Olly's little blue Smurf house. It looks like a Smurf house. Alrighty, let's build. Olly has a new look, so he's got this black and white squiggly top with, I think they're coral pink suspenders on there. Loving his look. Here's his little kitty cat Gertrude. She's so beautiful. I think we saw her in the cat hotel. And Mum Gwen. Now I'm loving her little vest and little necklace she has there. She's wearing this lime green blob top, and I love her hairstyle. It reminds me of Stephanie's mum. And now Martin, check him out. Loving his look, his mustache, the 80s mustache. His shirt's all tucked in. He doesn't have an adult male torso, so they've made him look really skinny. Loving the 80s hair, dude. You are one cool dad. I don't think this house has had much of a renovation since it got built, having that magenta pink carpet, but I love the colours, so it works for me. And I really love that we get like a little front pavement also, and the garden with all the little pebbles. Looks so cool. I like the colours of this house, the light blue, the tans and the dark pink. It just works all nicely together. Putting in a little flower garden at the front, and look at this, we get a garden gnome. Oh, I'm going to have some fun with him later on, you'll see. And now this couch, so we've got a rather big couch, and I put the stickers on before and they do not line up. So I am going to have to pull it off and fix that. See, I had to fix it because they all had to line up properly for me. So I'm going to stick that huge couch there in the lounge room with a little coffee table and little side table. Continuing on with the build, and I love the 4-frame window at the front there in the pink, and we get the front door there with the cat flap and this front porch light, which I really like. And there's going to be this angled window here on the side, which I find very interesting because I was wondering how they did that. And now we're going for a teeny tiny bathroom. At least we get a little basin and toilet in here, so I am happy. And oh, hang on, there was a little shelf there with a teapot and tea bags, I think. Oh, and there's a little cup there popping in the angled door. So it's a pretty tiny bathroom, but I'm happy we get something. And then we just attach it here and you can open and close it. There's also a little side door there that you can go into your garden. Here's the rainbow kitty cat picture, and we're going to have a pot plant here, so an indoor fern. Hang on, I can't get it in. Okay, it needs to go that way so it fits. Oh, so I'm moving the bathroom open and close, open, close. Very good. And what else am I doing? Oh, that angled window. So I was wondering how that worked. And you're not meant to rip apart your house, but I've done that for now. And I've put it in properly, so it is all good. Yeah, I like the look of that. And I literally missed a step. Time for Olly's little room here, and we've got lots of angles going in and a window. I did not get the glass piece, so I am going to have to message Lego, but I'm making this little compartment here because we've got secret plans of Layla the pop star, her outfits, so that goes in here and slides in. And now Olly's cute little bed with his little handmade bed sheets. That goes on here, and you can clip it on and off so you can get to the little compartment there, the secret drawer. The little rug goes here on the side, so it's a teeny tiny bedroom. Oh, we got a picture of Leo and Olly, a little desk with a camera, a little sticker there. His little laptop. Oh, he wants to check out his room already. Hang on, you gotta wait. Gertrude's food bowls going in here in the room, and she gets this big comfy bed. Loving that. We got a pink vine growing up the side. Oh, it really pops against the blue house. I really like that. We need a letterbox for number 21 Olly's house, and it had a bill inside, I think, or maybe a phone bill, and now the dark navy blue roof, so that just clips on like that. That looks actually quite good. Wasn't too difficult actually to build. I like those new style clips, so I'll pop that on there. Look at this. Alright, Olly's come along and he is eyeing off that gnome. Dad's got his tea and he's thinking, why do I have to pay more bills? And Mum's doing some watering. Oh, there is no food in this house. I just got lemon tea. Hey honey, I'm home. I'm trying to get through the front door, but I can't open it. Hang on, let me try. Oh, here I am. Oh dear. I might just freshen up, love. Oh, I really need a kitchen. I'm sick of just making tea. Hey, what's for dinner? I'm starving. And I better close that door for the draft. just lemon tea, and I'm really tired and I gotta go to bed. So my couch is my bed, and I'll just get him in there. Whoa, he skidded off. Oh man, I gotta sleep by the front door. I don't get a bed and I work so hard. And how lucky is Ollie? Ollie gets to go to bed, and even the cat gets a plush sofa. Love and Paisley's double layered top here with the yellow and the purple, and her little charm there of the music note, and the headphones, they look so cool. I don't have those yet, so I'm stoked I get a pair. She's holding her mobile. We've got her little sister Ella. Now I love, she gets another outfit. So that was from the 4+ set, the blue dress, and she gets this cute kitty cat poking out of her little pocket, and their little bunny Melody, and Dad Jonathan. Love his look. Like, he looks like a big strong man there holding his wrench and his toolbox, because he is going to be fixing the bunny house later. Now I was wondering why Paisley gets another house when she just got one last year, but I think they're going to do a storyline with the two houses. So I think that's why they did it. But anyway, I love the mid-century modern look. There's the family portrait in the entrance. We get like a little side table there to pop your keys on when you walk in. Love the colour palette of this. Like, even with the Mission Brown, that was the style back then. And the tiled floor in the kitchen, I really like the colours also. I really love that brick style fireplace also. It really gives off those mid-century vibes. We've got a little basin there, a mirror for the bathroom. So it's a teeny tiny bathroom. And we get a TV here watching some news of Layla the pop star. And this second floor was a bit tough to put on, but I did it. And the kitchen. So we get a kitchen at least in this house with some peas, tomato soup. What else we got? A dessert. We got to have some milk and eggs. So we get a nice full-size fridge, and Dad's cooking some tomato soup on the stove there. And I like that it's removable. I guess Ollie can borrow that kitchen for his house very easily. And then we get a little dining table here with like I guess it's not a high chair, but for Ella. And I don't know what she's eating there, scrambled eggs or mashed potato or something. And 2 bowls of tomato soup. For a teeny tiny house, this has a lot of aesthetic design. I love that horizontal thin window there. I really love the yellow and the turquoise colours. What am I building here? I am building Paisley's bed, so she's lucky. She gets a bed, so that goes up here. And she is reading an elves book, I think. A chest of drawers with a little lamp on it, an elephant dancing in the rain, and we've got Paisley's mum there. She must have been a singer as well. Oh, and I love that little lined cute bedspread for Ella's bed, and a roller skate. I don't know if they were building blocks or is that meant to be a shoe. I really love the style and design of this roof. The slopey bits with the tiles. It really is that mid-century modern look, which I love. And the techniques also used in all the angles of these roofs is really good. I really like the front of that roof. It makes it look like there was wooden beams there. Oh, I'll turn it around and you'll see. There's the little chimney. See the wooden beam look? That's clever, I like that. Now, a big pot at the front for a little tiny tree. Looks alright. Number 23. Love this house. There's quite a few angles added in this house at the front and in the gardens. Very clever, looks good. So I'm building a really nice tree house. There's like little mushrooms growing inside of it. And here's the top of the tree house. And we've got number 22. I don't know what that represents actually. If anyone knows, let me know. So I'm just going to pop that up here. We've got all the board games going in. And a picture of, oh, why is the picture outside? It should be inside. So I'll just click all this together. We've got some hopscotch at the front and we've got the little bunny hutch. So little Melody lives outside here. See, she's even got a room. Dad doesn't even have a room. Loving the purple leaves here. I love the look of this tree against the yellow and the turquoise of the house. Very pretty. I need more of these leaves. Oh my goodness, what a house. Just got to add a few finishing touches, try and pop the bunny in there. She doesn't want to go in there. We've got a plank of wood there and the family's come along. Oh my gosh, I love this house. So it is bedtime. Ella's going to sleep and she is going to sleep standing up. She's doing handstands. Come on, it is bedtime. Do not play around before bed. She is going to face plant on her bed. Paisley is going in her comfortable bed and poor Dad, same problem. Man, I sold my townhouse to move here, so now I need to sleep by the front door. Even the rabbit has its own bedroom. Oh, at least this rug's comfortable. Time to connect the two houses together as they are neighbours. Martin is still drinking his lemon tea. Now I'm loving the look of this. I really do like them even though they're so small. That tree house is gorgeous. Ollie's up there with the gnome. Oh, loving it. Okay, the Lego Friends, Olly and Paisley's family homes. Love them. I know they're teeny tiny. I know the parents don't have bedrooms. I know there's kitchens missing and this and that, but they are gorgeous. Love Friends sets because there are so many storytelling aspects in the sets. I love that they added that gnome for some fun. I just love these sets. So it is actually worth getting. I'd wait for a sale though because I like sales. So everyone, get your bricks out.